Introducing 107 Main Street. Located in Andover, less than 25 miles northwest of Boston, in one of the most sought-after towns in Massachusetts, you'll find this landmark Victorian home situated on a level corner lot in the heart of downtown. This desirable property is convenient to town schools, the vibrant downtown scene of Andover, 2 MBTA stations and routes I-93 and 495, not to mention located in a neighborhood where people gather for holiday parties, civic celebrations, and where neighbors wave hello. Filled with exceptional architectural detail, this extraordinary home offers over 3,500 square feet of living space, and its story is anything but ordinary. With an average daily traffic count on Main Street of over 15,000 cars, 107 Main Street affords superb visibility for your professional home office located within your own residence. The property is currently the home and office of a prominent local medical professional. While the property is in the single-family home district, this home formerly had the approval of a special permit allowing the property to be used as a 3-family home, which the floor plan is set up for, and the main entry opens to a common hallway and beautifully curved staircase that leads to each unit's door on every floor. If you desire, you may opt to pursue town consideration for reapproval for a multifamily permit. And from there, you might consider pursuing the idea of converting to 3 condominiums. Of course, if you wish, you may use this single-family home as a grand home to enjoy all 3 levels and the gorgeous front porch, all to yourself. This prominent Andover home offers many key features, including a newer roof redone in 2014, newer gas appliances and gas furnace, pretty hardwood floors, a remodeled kitchen and bath, and beautifully curved windows. This one-of-a-kind property awaits your vision and your touches to make it your own. Andover, founded in 1646, is deeply rooted in New England history, and together with the town's atmosphere and prime location, have made it one of the most desirable towns in Massachusetts to live in. As a benefit of the town's long-standing passion toward preserving open space, residents enjoy hundreds of acres of conservation land and many recreational areas for boating, hiking, walking, and swimming. Andover offers its residents a wealth of civic and community-oriented activities, including summer concerts in the park, recreational programs for the youth, and programs for the seniors through the Senior Center. Andover is widely recognized for its vast educational offerings. Its sought-after public school system, local colleges, parochial schools, and private schools, including Phillips Andover Academy, the Pike School, St. Augustine's, and nearby Brooks Academy, which are some of the finest academic institutions in the world. Andover is anchored by a picturesque and dynamic downtown area with many retail shops and restaurants, an array of boutiques, stores, cafes, and ice cream shops. On warm afternoons, students from the area schools can be found enjoying ice cream, young families pushing strollers, and many folks just enjoying the downtown amenities.